It's our last day. The Kona Coffee Roasting Company. Oh, that's weird.
I thought that was cool too.
That's strong. Our flight got canceled.
Por ahí damos una vuelta, dime si estás suelta. Si quieres enseñarle la puerta, no es una relación abierta. No hago más que pensarte. Yo quiero darte toda la noche, sin un reproche. I'm on my way a buscarte. Dame una vuelta por ahí nada más. Si te pones así como a mí me gusta, no voy a poder aguantar. Yeah. I'm on my way a buscarte. No hay otra manera, te veo con cualquiera. Tú no eres regulera, pero por ti mato a cualquiera.
We just finished breakfast, and on the agenda today is a
coffee tour. I had to think about what we were doing today. I completely brain
the Kona Coffee Roasting Company.
Coffee roasting.
Yeah.
Inside of a normal one, two coffee beans pressed up against each other like that. In a pea berry, something happens during development. Whether it gets damaged, doesn't get enough nutrition, something like that. One side wraps are quite diluted. You guys end up getting the bag. That's a good way to do it. Now, everybody got a chance to get some coffee? Yeah? Yeah. You guys like it? Yeah. Good.
This is delicious.
Has everybody had a chance to get a coffee?
For all those holy days and the special time, without you by your side.
Did you see that lady's little camera?
Oh, that's cool.
So, welcome everyone to Heavenly Hawaiian. It's a good day today. Yeah, it's going to be a good tour. This is a 37.5 acre coffee farm right smack dab in the middle of the Kona coffee belt. So we have 13,000 to 15,000 coffee plants here, and we've got 4 different varietals. Whoa, goodness. No, 4. So we got 4 different varietals. I'm going to touch on all of them. It wins awards, everything it's ever entered into. So every year out here we have the Kona Coffee Cup competition. If you guys can say that 5 times fast, you can be a tour guide. These things are loaded though. We're very excited about it.
Hi, kitty.
It's been a long, hard-fought battle.
Turn your body down.
That's Boomy. Very friendly. This is our king of the hill. He used to be a stray down in Kona. He was a stray at a fish shop called Umeki's. And one day he hopped in our van, wouldn't get out, and now he's been up here for like 5 years.
Wow.
First of all, congratulate yourselves. You guys just walked up the slopes of a volcano. Yeah, well done. This is Hualalai. We're standing on Hualalai. It's one of 5 volcanoes that we have here on island. So, Mauna Kea, come a little further, you got Mauna Loa. Mauna Loa is 150 feet lower than Mauna Kea. I'm glad you like that. You come a little further. And it helps your circulatory function, helps your respiratory function, and it's anti-inflammatory. So, in honor of Kilauea's latest eruption, that one,
Oh,
there's
yeah,
one
yeah, yeah.
clearing over there on the side. But these only produce one. These only produce one bunch in their life, and then they drop it down. So you can see in there. Cluster bamboo was brought over by the Polynesians, one of the first things ever introduced to the island with the pigs and the goats. So, oh, that's a cool little jump you just did.
Okay. This guy?
Oh, the banana tree.
Yeah, this one.
That one.
Oh, that's weird.
That's cool.
Yeah, I know this one has a different tone. It's like a drum set.
Yeah.
Segment longer, it drops off one of those pedals, and they're gonna pass that back.
Feel it. Pass it along.
It's like leathery. It's almost like fig.
Yeah.
This is from a banana tree.
Dude,
I know.
that's crazy.
All right. Actually, too, so that's another reason we don't use them.
Oh, your coffee fell. Or,
Say again?
sorry, your coffee's.
Oh, good. Just trying to roll down the hill there. Finish that off. Yeah. So, our pickers will get about 100 to 400 pounds of coffee in a day. Yeah.
One picker?
Yeah, one picker.
One picker will do 100.
Yes, they will. If you look it up on Wikipedia, it's called the paintbrush tree or the Dr. Seuss tree. And straight up, when it flowers, it looks like something straight out of the Lorax.
How cool.
It has these bright, neon pink, pom-pom looking flowers. Most people struggle with this plant. I have a lot of friends with very deep personal anger against these plants. I do like that one a lot. I need to name that tree. Twin roots. Yeah, twin roots. I like that.
Bonnie and
We need
Clyde.
to figure out where it ends up when it gets planted. 'Cause I want to take special care to see if that one survives.
Put it on the Instagram page so I can follow along.
Yeah, right? Like actually tag it. That'd be kind of fun. That's a good idea. I'm going to talk to them about that. Down these drying decks, drying press. And so what the goal here is to dry these down once an hour, every hour. One of us workstation kids comes down with this rake, and we rake the beans. This is just kidding. But it is a lot of fun. And so the goal here is to get these dried down to 10% moisture. He's a powerhouse of the coffee industry. The guy created this farm like 35 years ago. He literally made this farm. He runs like 50 farms out here. He was the first guy to ever bring geishas to the island. Just a genius, really. But he was so
You could do that.
Oh, hi, little buddy.
Oh, thank you. As far as I know, this only grows here. Yes, of course. Enjoy. It's good, isn't it?
Wait,
Yeah. You want to try some?
cheers.
Oh my god.
You did it wrong.
I hope you guys enjoy. Howdy.
Oh, my land.
This is
That
Mamaki.
is
That is
nice.
amazing.
You remember that herb I was talking about? With that helps your respiratory
Pineapple
function?
syrup. I learned a lot about coffee that I had no idea about. How long the process is, just everything about it. It was pretty cool. About to try a mamaki tea, which is good for anti-inflammatory, and
That's this one, right? That's this one.
this is a mamaki tea.
Yes.
And I ordered a $22 cup of coffee.
Say it again a little louder.
A $22 cup of coffee.
What's it called?
It's called
The champagne.
champagne something,
Yeah.
but it's supposed to be one of the best cups you'll ever have.
Yeah. So we just figured why not. And we also got this ube sugar cookie to go with it.
We recommend trying it black.
Okay.
And then if you want, we also have cream and sugar just over there for you.
Okay.
Have
Sounds
it
good. Thank
black.
you.
Thank you so much.
It looks like honey. Is it $22 worth?
Fucking $22 worth. Try that. It has like a little tinge of almost like a champagne aftertaste.
Okay, it's good. I don't know if I would say it's $22 for a cup. Although it is impressive that it does not need
It doesn't need cream or sugar. So
once in a lifetime cup of coffee here. Nice. Oh, that's refreshing. That's strong. Okay, take 2 or 3. I can't remember. But it's our last day. We only have a few hours before we turn in for the night. And I still have not touched the water. So I'm forcing poor Vic to come out. I just want to touch the water for a second, okay? And then I'll be satisfied.
really?
Our flight has been delayed 2 hours, which means food and drink. I'm hitting all the food groups here, okay? Please do cannot.
The poke. Yeah. Spicy. Bomb.
It's a little spicy. Our flight got canceled. Like, they just canceled it. Oh my god, my hair is so frizzy.
I'm sweating my dick off.
So we're currently in a really long line. So we can get rebooked. I'm pretty sure we're not gonna leave Hawaii till tomorrow though. That's my guess. Yeah. Here we are.
We are back.
We're back at it again. In the same hotel actually. Flight got canceled. We rebooked our same hotel and we're in Hawaii for another night. But we're both exhausted. It's already what, 6 p.m.?
6:30?
Yeah.
5:38.
Oh, it's 5:38. Yeah. Whatever. We spent like 6 hours at the airport. It kept getting delayed and then finally got canceled. So yeah, we're just staying here another day and that's that. So having a Mai Tai, trying to feel better. Another day in paradise. We're feeling so ungrateful right now.
No, I'm super grateful. I'm just exhausted.
I'm exhausted also. Could use a shower and massage and stuff, maybe a facial.
But this is still one of the most beautiful views. Having this while you eat, this is awesome.
Yeah.
Way to the danger, to the jaws of
Yes, sir. You need some soy sauce. You got some Tabasco.
I'm gonna let these guys try.
Oh, juice off the rock, cause it's how we always eat.
Yeah.
And we never even have a spoon back then.
Is it actually?
That's good.
I don't know if I'm brave enough to try that.
Little bit gamey,
See, the shell is easier.
that is crazy good.
Give them the grit. Give them the gamey one.
The gamey one.
Who's sitting right now? All you gotta do is bust that one. Poof. Pull it out.
Right?
I can have one.
Yeah. Thank you. I'm trying to.
Just try.
Have that one you bug on.
So it's opihi. O-P-I-H-I.
Fun fact, this is opihi, also known as the deadliest delicacy. Not sold in stores. You can only get it by climbing on the rocks and getting it yourself.
Yeah, I think I'm good.
Thanks for following along on our weird cluster of Hawaii trip. Bye.